Hello everyone, I'm Shriyanish. Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to read a story, Frogs and the Snake. There lived a big snake near the ponds in the forest. The pond was full of big and small frogs. The frogs were living happily under the king's rule. The big snake became old and weak. He could not catch his prey easily and used to starve. One day, he thought of a plan upon seeing many frogs in the pond. He decided to trick the frogs in order to have his meals. He went to the pond and lay there as he was suffering from illness. A frog was passing by from there. On seeing the weak snake, he inquired the snake. He told that he had been cursed by a Brahmin to serve the frogs of this pond as he bit the son of the Brahmin. So he had to serve them and eat the food offered by them. Upon hearing the surprising words of snake, the frog hurriedly went to the king frog and told everything to him. He said that the snake had told him that he had been cursed by a Brahmin, so he would serve us and we not need to be scared of him as he would eat the food offered by us. The king frog and the other frogs were delighted to hear this. The king frog and the other frogs cheerfully went to the big snake. The king frog asked him about the curse. On being assured by the snake that he would not do harm, the king frog decided to take a ride on the snake's back. The king frog and the other frogs gathered around the snake and jumped onto the back of the big snake to have a joyful ride. The big snake swam in the pond with all the frogs riding on his back. The frogs were having a very enjoyable time. The snake was entertaining them with all his might. The next day, they again craved for a joyride and readily hopped on the snake's back. Now, the snake knew that the time has come to fill his empty stomach with the delicious food riding on his back. The snake, while moving around the pond deliberately, slowed down his pace in order to show that he had become tired. The king frog noticed this and asked him about the reason of his slow pace. The snake had said that he became weak due to starving and he could not move anymore. In this way, every day, after the ride on the snake's back, the king frog would let the snake eat the frog at the end of his tail. The snake would then quickly gulp it down. This continued for many days, till the snake has eaten all the frogs except the king frog himself, who seemed unaware of this fact. The very next day, the king frog uttered the same words after the ride. The snake turned around and saw that only king frog was left on his back. He said to the king that now there were no frogs left except you. He promptly turned around and gulped the king frog in a trice. So, moral of this story is stay away from the bad. Thanks for watching.